Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Socially. Today's video is going to be a very unique and unseen or maybe a little weird for you guys. Till date, I have used scarves, dupattas for making dresses or creating different looks. But have you ever thought a salwar could be used for this purpose? Yes, we can use a salwar for this purpose. Let's see how it's done. I have used a patiala bottom here and not the regular ones because of the pleats. Without pleats, you cannot wear it in a different way. So it was a semi patiala, but you can create similar looks using full patiala too. So let me know what do you think about this DIY, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.